Hey Emma, how's your morning?
Hey John, it's nice. I had some coffee, did a small workout, and now I feel great. What about you?
Oh man, I woke up late again. My alarm didn't work. Or maybe I didn't hear it. Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha, you and your alarms. So, what's new today? You sound a bit sleepy, but happy.
Yeah, I am. I tried something funny last night.
Oh, what happened?
I was practicing English with an AI on my phone. You know, those chat things that talk back to you.
Ha ha ha, no way! You actually talked to one. How was it?
It was supposed to help me learn English, but it became one of the funniest talks ever.
Okay, I have to hear this. Tell me.
So I said, "Hello, how are you?" And the AI said, "I am a potato." Ha ha ha.
Ha 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 ha. Wait, what? A potato?
Yes. I asked again, "What?" And it said, "Yes, I am a smart potato." Ha 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 ha.
Oh no, that's so funny. Maybe it was hungry.
Ha ha, maybe. Then I said, "Can you help me learn English?" And it said, "Sure, but first we talk about potatoes."
Oh my God, you got the world's first potato teacher.
Ha 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 ha, exactly. My roommate came out and said, "What's wrong with you?" I told him, "I'm learning English." From a potato.
That's gold. You should have recorded it.
I wish I did, but it made me think of something.
What?
Even when the AI made mistakes, I still spoke English. I didn't stop. I just kept talking and laughing.
That's great. You were really practicing, like a real talk. Funny, but real.
Yeah, but listen, it got even funnier. I asked, "Can you tell me a joke?" It said, "Sure. Why did the banana go to the hospital?"
Okay, why?
Because it was not peeling well. Ha 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 ha.
Oh no. That's a terrible joke.
I know, but then I said, "Tell me another one." It said, "Knock knock." So I said, "Who's there?" And it said, "Error, please repeat." Ha 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 ha.
Oh no, the joke stopped working.
Ha 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 ha, yeah. It broke in the middle of a knock knock joke.
That's so good. That's the best kind of English talk. Funny, not boring.
Right, the AI was silly, but I got to think fast, reply fast, and use new words.
And that's real English. Even mistakes can help you talk better.
True, if the AI can mess up and keep talking, we can too.
So, did it get weirder after that?
Oh yeah, I asked, "What's your favorite food?" It said, "Electricity."
Makes sense. I eat electricity for breakfast.
And Wi-Fi for dinner.
Stop! That's too funny.
Then it said, "Do you want to be my friend?" I said, "Sure." It said, "Okay, John, we are now 87% friends."
Wait, 87%, not 100.
Yeah, I asked, "Why not 100?" It said, "Processing," and never answered.
That's amazing. It's honest. Not full friend yet, just 87%.
Yeah, still thinking about me. Smiles.
You know, this is really funny, but also true.
Yeah, I felt the same. Talking to an AI is actually easy and not scary.
Right. You don't feel shy. No one laughs at your accent. You can take your time.
Exactly. And when it makes a mistake, it's just funny, not scary.
That's such a good idea for beginners. Start talking with an AI, or even with yourself.
Ha 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 ha. I tried with my cat once. She just walked away.
Maybe she's shy, or maybe she's also 87% your friend.
Ha ha ha. Yeah, maybe.
So, what else did you ask the AI?
I said, "What should I eat for dinner?" It said, "Eat pizza. Pizza makes humans happy." Ha 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 ha.
Honestly, true.
Then I asked, "How can I be good at English?" It said, "Talk more, even if you talk to me. I like it."
Oh, that's actually sweet.
Yeah, that part was kind of nice. It felt real.
See, even a robot can make you want to speak more.
Yes. I learned something. Practice doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to happen.
I love that. Okay, let's play. I'll be the AI. You be the learner.
Ha ha ha. Oh no. Okay, let's go.
Hello, human. How can I help you today?
Ha ha. Hello, robot. I want to learn English.
Good. Repeat after me. I love potatoes.
Ha 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 ha. Not potatoes again.
Potatoes are key to English success.
Ha ha ha, fine. I love potatoes.
Perfect. You are now fluent. Ha ha ha.
Wow, that was fast. You're better than my AI.
Ha ha ha. Careful. It might get jealous. Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha, yeah, maybe it will delete my music.
Ha ha. Okay, jokes aside, I really like this story. It shows that learning English can be fun, not always serious.
Yeah, when you laugh, you remember more. I still remember all those funny lines.
And that's the real way to learn a language, with fun, with emotion.
Exactly. So if you're watching this and feel shy, just talk, even if it's to an AI or a potato. Ha 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 ha.
Haha, yes. Talk to your phone, your dog, anything. Just use English every day.
Right, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to try.
And remember, if your AI says it's a potato, don't stop. Just smile and keep talking.
Because maybe that potato will make you speak better English.
Haha, that's my favourite line.
All right, that's it for today's talk.
Yeah, thanks for listening, everyone.
Keep practicing and keep smiling.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.